Hi friends, welcome back. Today I've come with a custard rolls recipe or custard buns. It is a soft and delicious bun filled with custard filling. So to make that, here I have taken 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 150 ml of lukewarm milk. Into this we'll add 250 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. If you're using active dry yeast, first allow the yeast to bubble up or activate and then add the flour. Into this we'll add half teaspoon of salt and mix it together to form a shaggy mass of dough. Now let us transfer the dough onto the work surface and knead the dough till it becomes soft and elastic. You can also use the kneading hook to knead the dough. If you feel that the dough is dry, you can add a little more of liquid, and if you feel that the dough is very soft, you can add a teaspoon or so of flour. Now into this we'll mix in 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Here I'm using unsalted butter and mix it well to form a soft dough. We'll transfer this into a greased bowl and allow this to rest till it doubles in size. Meanwhile, we'll make the custard filling. For that, here I've taken 2 egg yolks, add a teaspoon of vanilla and 50 grams of sugar and 20 grams of corn flour. Mix it well. Into this we'll add 250 ml of milk. Now we'll cook this on medium heat till it thickens up. This should be the consistency of the custard. We'll transfer this into a bowl and allow it to cool down. We can keep it in fridge. We can also prepare this a day ahead and keep it in fridge. Now the dough is risen well. We'll give it a short knead. Now let us divide the dough into 8 equal portions. And make tight balls of each portion. And we'll cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes so that we can easily roll it out. Now this is our custard. We'll just give it a nice mix so that it becomes soft. We'll roll out the dough like this to form an oval shape. Place 1 tablespoon of the custard filling. Fold it and pinch it well. Now we'll cut lines using a pizza cutter in such a way that the ends remain intact, and then we'll roll the custard bun like this. To form this caterpillar bun, and we'll transfer this onto a cookie sheet which is lined with parchment paper. We'll allow this to rest for about 15 minutes and then brush it with milk wash or egg wash so that we get a nice glaze after baking. And then we'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or till it turns golden brown in color. Now the custard buns are beautifully baked. Brush it with some melted butter. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.